Mark Zuckerberg hinted that Meta has big plans for AI agents, and maybe the first part of those plans is already here. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. At the company's Conversations event in London, Meta introduced AI Agents tool for businesses that rely on WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger. Officially called the Meta Business Agent, the new tool will allow business owners to assign many of their everyday tasks, like interacting with customers and booking appointments, to AI agents. Meta says that the business agent will have the ability to close sales and recommend products through human business owners who are able to jump into interactions at any point. Meta's already begun testing the agents with small businesses in India, Mexico, and Brazil, and says that more than 1 million have already signed up. These agents will be available to any business on WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger. It's not the first time Meta's allowed businesses to automate replies to customers, but now the ultimate goal, according to Zuckerberg, is for the agents to eventually help you run your whole business, but admitted that AI models need to advance for that. In the meantime, Meta's working on advanced agentic capabilities that'll let agents to get more involved with the behind-the-scenes aspects of running a company. This includes conducting market research, surfacing product insights, connecting with the tools to manage your calendar, and providing competitive intelligence. But keep in mind, Meta isn't planning to just give away all of these new AI-powered capabilities forever. While the company says that getting started with its new business agent is free, it plans to move the feature behind one of its new subscription offerings soon. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.